Hello subscriber and viewer, now we are in the next tutorial in Android tutorial series. So in this tutorial we are going to focus about the checkbox in Android. So here you observe the checkbox. So this is nothing but checkbox. You are already aware if you learn Java programming or any basic programming. So what exactly checkbox? In short, I tell you, it consists of rectangle and here in this side there is a text. If you click here, it means it is selected. Okay, unclick means it is not selected. On the basis of selection and non-selection, we can perform some action also. Okay, so here in this slide you see here in XML you can add the code like that. Android check equal to true means by default it is in off state, but if you write this code true, then it will be in true state like that. Okay, otherwise it will be like this. You can add some other additional attributes like text color, text style, text size, and the background. You can specify the text. So all these attributes we will use in the Android Studio. So after opening Android Studio, we will practice and we will see how you can use checkbox in Android application. So now I am moving in Android Studio. So here I open the Android Studio. Now here I am placing some components. First I place TextView component. So this is the TextView. Okay. After that I want to add checkbox component. Okay. First I am going into here XML, Android, background I want to change. So here the background that I want, suppose this one. Now I am switching on TextView. That name property is not important. So here suppose I want text @string, variable name is suppose A. After that Android, text size 20 sp. I also want to set Android text style is suppose bold, and Android text color that you can specify according to you. Suppose I want the color like that. So finally I am checking in the design portion. After that I want to place buttons, radio button, sorry, checkbox. So this is my first checkbox like that. Then I want to place second. I want to place third. Later on we will set their position. So here now I am going on checkbox 1. So this is my first checkbox. Then here I copy this bunch of code, Control C. So here it's B. Here I should delete this because text is repeated. Then here I should write Control V. So that is nothing but C variable. Then here I should remove this Control V. That is nothing but variable D. So in this way we have completed I want to set one more attribute there in the checkbox as well as text view, that is nothing but background. Android background. So I want this yellow color background. Then I copy this, Control C, and paste it in checkbox. Same thing you have to follow while doing practice. Check back again. Yeah, it's okay. Now in the checkbox, I want to check width and height. Suppose here I want width wrap content, so the checkbox will look good. Okay, sorry, wrap, not match parent. Match parent 45 dp, it's okay. Then here match parent 45 dp is okay. Then here match parent again. So now again, now it's looking good. So after that, going into string, copy this code. Then here I should write A, Control C, then here I should write B, C, D. Here in the text box I want to write select your choice. After that, orange, apple, whatever the names are there that you can write. You can write anything here, whatever you want. Third one is banana. So now I am again checking my layout, orange, apple, banana. So it's look quite good. Now going on activity file. So here once again I check name property, so that at the time of coding there will not be any mistake. Here you see it's C2. Because the name property of checkbox is important. C3. So at the time of code there will be no confusion. Now here going into here, once again, so this is our code, this is design, and here I define checkbox A, B, C. After doing this, A equals to, I have to do casting here, checkbox, find view by ID, r.id.c1. That's it. Now I just copy this and here you should write B for the second checkbox. Then here I should write C. After that C2 and C3. Okay. So after doing this, I am going into XML again. In the XML, I want to specify on click method. So going into checkbox, because after clicking checkbox, we want to perform action. Android on click CHE, suppose it's some on click method. I just copy this, then paste it in every checkbox. So our method is CHE. So defining here public void CHE view object. So finally our method declaration is over. Here I want switch statement, and here I should write view object dot get ID for accessing the ID from buttons. Okay, so that is nothing but switch statement. So in that switch statement we should specify the case r dot id dot, here I should write C1. Okay, then colon. Then after doing this, I should specify if statement if a dot is check. It means if we select the first checkbox, then toast variable you have to use toast t equal to toast dot make test, this comma, here I want to write you selected. Our first choice was you selected orange, then apple, then banana. Orange toast dot long, then here t dot show. That's it. So our first checkbox coding is over. Then same procedure I should follow for case 2 and 3. So I copy the bunch of code, and here one statement is missing. After the case we want to break out, and here now I should specify C2. Again here the break. Then here the content should be, we have written orange, here it is apple. Then here it's C3. Here banana. So here our code is over. Here I should write B dot. Means if we select the second checkbox, and here it's C. The code is quite simple. Here we have declared 3 variables for 3 checkbox. We have done casting. Finally here a dot is check, means if we select first checkbox we get the toast message you selected orange. Then it will be break. The statement will break. Then after that if you select second checkbox, it will show you selected apple, otherwise banana. you are already familiar about the toast. If you don't know, go through my previous tutorial. Now I am running the application and testing the output. So here our app is running. Select your choice, orange, apple, banana. Okay. If I select orange, you selected orange, then apple, and then banana will come. So in this way, friend, it's working very good. So you just practice this in Android Studio, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new in the channel. Thank you.